Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here with day 2 of throwback week, and for those who are new, I want to first say hello, welcome. I am Nisha, and like I said, we are here for day 2 of throwback week. What is throwback week? If you're tuning in for the very first time, I'm just basically taking this time this week, 7 days straight, to recreate one of my older looks, whether the quality was bad or whether the skills were just not there, or just I just want to recreate it just because. And that is the honest truth, just because. So today we're going to be recreating this look. I don't even think it was that popular of a look. It quickly got taken down from YouTube because of the copyrighted music that I used in the video. But the reason why I want to recreate this look is I was trying to go for that, not the regular cut crease where it's like half cut crease. I was trying to do that oval slanted cut crease thing, and it just was not working. And I definitely want to try it out and do it again because I love the color story that I was doing in this look, and I definitely love the lip. So this look gave me fall vibes, so we're gonna recreate it. So we're gonna recreate that look, and we're going to be using the JACKLYN Hill palette. I mean, being that I used JACKLYN Hill Volume 1 yesterday, I thought it was only best that I go in with Volume 2 to recreate this look, because I believe I actually used Volume 1 for the original look, and then a mixture of like Coastal Scent like eyeshadow. So you know me, I like to stick with one palette because it just makes tutorials so much easier when you're just using one palette, you know. So we're going to use that one, and I'm going to cheat today because I'm going to be using my cut crease stencils to create more of that little wing cut crease. I'm going to do this off camera, and then I'm going to jump back in, zoom in, and get started with this tutorial. I really hope these shapes come out right, because these were a little confusing on how to put them, but as you guys can see, it's supposed to give me that little slanted, I don't know. We're going to try and see how it works. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a brow bone highlight. Y'all know this step for me. I honestly feel like I put too light of a shade underneath my eyebrow, but I'm gonna buff it all the way down. And I went in with this color for my highlight. Now I'm gonna go in with this matte orange. So taking the shade, Feeling Myself, and I'm just gonna brush this right in the crease area. So I did bring it down some because I felt like I had it up too high. So now I'm reapplying it. Alright, so now with a detailed brush, I'm going to really go in and define the crease with a deeper shade. And I'm going to go in with this pretty like red color. I want to say it has a little bit of a burgundy undertint to it, just a little bit. And this one is called Living My Best. So I'm going to take that shade, and I'm just going to blend it right where that separation of this crease is going to start. Alright, so it looks really nice. It's scaring me because I'm not used to this type of cut crease. But I will say this, if this does not come out right, we're going back to the original half cut crease type of cut crease. So let's go ahead and reveal it. Alright. Wow, okay, this came out pretty decent. I know you guys probably can't tell, I should have put more red in the crease, but I can see it. Okay, it came out, okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill in the cut crease area with my concealer, and I'm just mixing Juvia's shade 2 and of course Glam Light Icing in the shade Caramel. I'm ain't gonna lie, it's hard trying to go with the pre-cut crease flow, but I think I pretty much got it. So this is what we're going to be having with the shape. I like how this came out. This is really going to really look good when I add that liner to go with the flow. Oh, super cute. So now that both eyes are done, I love how this came out. This is still going to take me some time to get used to this because that was hard to put on. It really is. I just wish I would have deepened up my crease a little bit more. I just felt like I was putting too much on, but I wasn't. I was doing good. Okay, so now for the lid color. On the video, I had like a really pretty, like almost orange peach color. And in this palette, I think I'm gonna go more orangey. So I'm gonna go in with Grateful, which is this color right here. And I think I'm gonna start off with the outer part of this color, because I think I want to remix it and add a little bit more like color to it, or more of a different formula to it. So I'm going to put this all the way to the outer. I'm going to clean this up, so don't worry if it looks a little gappy. I'm going to take, I kind of like this all matte, but I feel like if I just go all the way across with this color, I feel like I'm going to be missing something. I'm trying to find something. Yeah, no, I got that from TikTok. I'm going to take this color right here, just called Flawed and Awed. I'm going to pop this right in the inner part. Ensure that I blend the two colors very well together. Okay, this looks nice. I was scared. I was like, is it going to look too weird? But I like what we got going on. I like this. So I'm definitely gonna do my wing off camera, and then we'll come back with my face done, and then we'll do that beautiful buried lip that I had in the video. Okay, so this is what we got going on so far. I'm loving this eye shape. I definitely want to put a little bit of like glitter, but I just feel like because I did that yesterday, it's like, do I want to do it again? But we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I don't know if I have an orange glitter. Let's look. Oh my gosh, I just spotted it. I do. Ooh, I have an orange glitter. Maybe if I do it like halfway and not all the way across. Did it halfway. I'm not gonna go all the way across with it. Or should I? No, just do halfway. Okay, now for my lips, I'm gonna go in with the exact same lipstick that I used in that video, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Paint. And this is in the shade 302 called Violet Twist. So this is definitely like a sheer color. It's not deep like I want it to be. So I'm gonna go in with the lip liner just to clean up around my lip. And then for my blush, I'm gonna go in with my Hank & Henry palette, and I'm gonna go in with this pretty deep like purple pink color. Okay, and the last thing that I did in that video was add, of course, a pop of color in my inner tear duct, which was like a matte white I think I went with. So I'm just swatching. Ooh, that's not it. I'm going to, of course, try the only white color that's in this palette, which is this one. I was thinking about that one, but this one has a little bit of like shimmers in it, so we're gonna stick with this one. So I'm gonna pick her up. I think I want to mix it though. Okay, I'm gonna pick her up and then pop her right in that inner tear duct. That's pretty. I'm getting like a new version of like a Hollywood classic type of vibe with this look. Let me add some shimmer to it, just a little bit. I'm gonna see what the shimmer, the color next to it, what it's gonna look like with it mixed. So I feel like you definitely can't tell any difference. So I'm just gonna stick with the matte white. And I think that's pretty much it for the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and add my lashes, and then I come back and show you guys, you know, my hair unpin and do a side-by-side comparison of the look. All right, you guys, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys enjoyed and like it. Do a side-by-side comparison of the two looks together. This is what we got going on. I really like the cut crease, and so they really did give me that. I don't even know what is the name of this cut crease. I guess the long graphic cut crease. I don't know, but I love it. I think I might do more looks like this because it definitely fits my eye shape, being that I have so much like eye space like up here. So having this big, you know, arch and then having it like curve towards the outer part. This is cute. I like her. I really like her. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and of course I'll be back tomorrow with another throwback look. And thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.